back to PhonateRite with Damilola. Sorry, I've been away for quite some time now. I have to take a break. Before I went off, I was teaching us the sounds of the alphabet. Particularly, I was doing this for mothers and teachers. And I'm sorry, I'm not going to be able to go on to teach this class the way I've been doing it. So today, I'm just going to run through the letter names again and the sounds of the alphabet. And in our subsequent speech class, I'm going to be taking this letter individually and teach them to you so you can impart it to your children to learn how to spell and pronounce English words accurately. The reason I can't go on is because we've stayed too long on these subjects, and I want us to return to our regular speech class. So I'm going to take this class today like I do in my regular classes with children. Normally we sing to learn the sounds of the alphabet, and I'm going to do that today. So we say learning letter sounds A to Z, learning letter sounds you and me, learning letter sounds A to Z, letter sounds helps you read and write. Before I go on, I wanted to let you know that these sounds of the alphabet, this song is copyright to GRS Academic Consulting and Austin Phoenix, the visiting Phoenix rather. So let's go, and then from there we'll jump to sounds of the alphabet, and the children will shout. Letter A sounds A, B sounds B, C sounds K, D, E, F, G, F. Then we go from there to G, H, I, J, K, L. Some children are here and they're so eager. They want to join me to sing, so that I hold them to keep quiet while I teach this. Okay, so we have G, A, J, sorry, G, A, J, K, L. So this is not L, it's L. That says sounds okay. Now from there we go to every letter has a sound. Every letter has a sound. M, N, O. So M, N, O. For this letter, there are two native speakers pronunciation rather. The American says O and the British says M. In my class, I'm using L. So this is M, not M, not N, and this is O. Okay, P, Q, R. I also said that this letter in previous class is not R or R, it's R. Okay, R, like this one, R. Alright, so cool. And S, T, U, and V, W, sorry, V, W, X, no, W is W. And the last letters are Y, Z, we'll say, and a friend of mine told me a very funny story about this sound. For letter Y, the sound is like a letter J. So he said that in his secondary school days, one of the English teachers said that this is J. So you don't say Jew, you say Jew, Jew. I hope you don't fall into the category of people that say Jew, which is Jew. Anyway, this is Jew. This is so as in uniform, union, yogurt, yurt, etc. Like I said, I'm going to teach this to you in our subsequent speech class. Alright, this letter here, some schools and some teachers, they say they're applying British pronunciation, but they said this sound, this is letter Z. It is this American rather that says Z, but the British says Z. So please let's endeavor to teach accurate letter names and accurate letter sounds. So this is Z, and letter Z sounds. I will leave it off that for today. Should you be interested in signing up for my speech class, reach out to me, visit my web at www.drsconsulting.com and send me a message. I'll be back again next week, people, hopefully. Until then, just thanks for using PhonateRite. Bye for now. I love you.